You finally checked the last box on your LMS to-do list. Congratulations, but we're not ready to launch quite yet. As with any piece of new software, you need to thoroughly test your LMS before your e-learning course goes live. How do we do this? LMS testing is an intensive and crucial process that every course author needs to carry out, and not just the new ones either. Even a seasoned course author is going to test their content before sending it out to the masses. Methodology is basic. Test everything. Course content, gamification, e-commerce tools, all of it. Only when you're confident that everything is working as expected should you move forward. Ready to learn more about testing your LMS? There's way more to cover in our How to Create an Online Course Masterclass. Click the link below to get full access today.